Hello, welcome to my channel. This video will cover aerial footage of one of the most sacred and well-known lake called the Nub-Tshoe-na-pa-taaa. Located in Ha, the lake plays an important role both in spiritual and natural history. It is believed to be discovered in 12th century by one of the great tertons. Located at 2,740 meters above sea level, Nubtsonapata plays a significant role in Bhutan history. Thus the helicopter services provide every individual the opportunity to experience this joyous ride. You can also see the beautiful mountains such as Mount Jo-mo-lha-re and Kangchenjunga. Thank you, do like, subscribe, share my videos, and if you have any questions drop your comments below.